everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the most used bags for the summer this year so far. They are functional, versatile, goes with loads of different looks. So without further ado, let's dive into it. And the first bag that I've been using mostly since the summer began and is the new bag that I've done a review for. This is the VERAFIED Python Café bag. I've been loving this little bag and it's just so pretty, and I love to take it out for a dressy time, or even just go to the supermarket and running errands, go out shopping. Obviously this doesn't really take too much, but if you really wanted to still use the bag with your outfits, and I would always add a canvas tote bag to hold some other things, and then still holding this little bag as the main focal point of my outfit. This sort of bag is, because it's an animal print, this is quite muted and it's not very loud at all. The main colors are like black, grayish color and some pale ivory white. This can go with black outfits, white outfits, and even colored outfits. This little bag can go with loads of different occasions: day, night, shopping, weekend, and brunch, evening bag instead of an office bag. But if you haven't watched my review for this bag, and please watch it. Since I've been using it, another thing that I found out that is the straps, because the straps, they are not with the traditional, you sew a tube and you turn it inside out with one piece of leather, you sew it on one side and then you turn the seams inside and revealing the leather. But this one, they just use like an overlock, if you can see it. Can you see that? It's like an overlocking method. At the first glance, it doesn't really it's not very obvious because with the tone, with the color combination of this bag, but given more time using it, maybe in 6 months time I'll do a review to see if the strap is going to be like giving away. So it's something that I have a little bit of a concern. So if you're really not really liking this sort of a finish, it's something that you bear in mind, that you steer away from it. But other than that, I have no complaints about this bag, and I'm just hoping that the straps are going to hold up for the long run, because they're quite thin, quite flimsy, and I'm just hoping that is going to last. And the next bag is a bag that I've been using quite a lot lately. Is this Italian leather woven bag. You can see that the bag in a superb quality is the Bottega Veneta design, but it is not. There's no brand on it, and I've just fell in love with it. When I see this, then I just got it, and I've been using this since May. And I've been just loving it so much. You can see the quality. It's just something that is not too big, it's not too small. It can hold loads of things, and the price was quite good, a few £100 for genuine Italian leather woven technique and beautiful hardware. I think this is something that I've been using because it's so functional, it's so practical, and because if you've been following me, watching my video, and I always say I don't really like shoulder bags because they're constantly slipping off my shoulder. But this one, because of the shoulder straps are thin and they are a tubely thing, and all the way is woven into a tube, and when I put the things into the bag, it weighs it down. This one, it never ever slips off. You can see it just sits there and is secure. There's no other holding together straps for this, but it does stay on my shoulder and it's really beautiful. I just love this bag so much. The size is about 28 centimeters and the height is about 20 centimeters, and the width is about 9, but you can hold so many things in it, and I just really love it. Love this bag because it's so practical. It goes with like from day, office, weekend, brunch. If you want to look a bit casual but still polished, I've created loads of outfits with this. I would say this is the most used bag since summer began, but I think this bag is going to see me over into autumn, winter, and for the long run. It's so functional because it's not overly large, it's not overly small. It's just that sort of size that I can go with so many different occasions. It doesn't look too bulky, it doesn't look too casual, but still maintain that quiet luxury and polished, elevated look. And this is a great compliment to all my outfits. And yes, this is my little best purchases of this year so far. And the next bag is my Hermes Kelly Pochette in the blanc color. It's swift leather and with gold hardware. I've been offered this bag when I was waiting for my Birkin, and I was delighted to receive this offer. And this bag is one of those very hard to get bags from Hermes boutique. I only tend to use this bag during the summer, and because the gold and the white color combination looks very pretty, and I've created some outfits using this, and it's a bit dressy, but still it holds a little bit more things than the VERAFIED Python bag because of the size, and is not like a Birkin and is larger than this. It's just a little handheld handbag and quite subtle, and there's no major logos to it. You know it. If you don't, you don't. It's just one of those bags that I just been in my collection that I really treasure and love. And this bag is, I would say, is for more special occasions, and if you want to go for like a wedding and the best dressed wedding guest, you can take this bag with you if you have one, or like dinner or nice lunch somewhere, or just drinks with friends in a really nice bar. I always feel special when I'm wearing this bag and to go places and to have a little bit of fun. And so this is my treasured fun bag that is something that I would treasure and not to be kicked around about. This sort of bag, you're not really expected to hold too many things. It's just something that is slightly bit dressier. And I did take it out during the day, but I didn't feel like I was overly dressy about it because it's quite small. I hope you like the outfit and that I've been wearing this bag with. It's very summery, and I always love a tone-on-tone look. And last but not least is my new Miu Miu Ivy Raffia bag with this pom-pom charm and the keyring charm with Miu Miu on it. And I've done an unboxing and a quick review of this bag. If you haven't watched it, and please watch it. I'm going to attach this in the description box. You can see that 3 bags out of the 4 bags that are new bags, because I haven't really been buying so much clothes, but updating my wardrobe with newer bags, and I think it would elevate and bring everything up to date, make older clothes look more modern. It's just something that is my way of dressing. Clothes are, if you just find the things that you like, you can just wear them year in, year out, because you paid money for it. If it still fits and if it's still in a great shape, and after laundering and washing and ironing, they're still having good shape. When you bought it, you thought about it, you choose the really good quality garments. A good fitting garment is always make them look more expensive. Go a quick iron, everything looks very nice. So I always use my bags and shoes to elevate my look. So this year I've added this Miu Miu, another shoulder bag. Because of this strap again, it's quite thin. This one doesn't slip off my shoulder. It stays on the shoulder quite well. You can see it is not digging into my skin or anything. It's very comfortable to wear this bag. I really love the shape of it because it's not too bulky. You can see it's a very flat bag. It's only when I put things into it and then it changed the shape a little bit, but it's not too bulky, it's not too large, but slightly larger than my other Raffia bag because it's a different shape, because this one is a tote, my Loewe one, and then this one is oblong, and kind of this is east-west, and this is the longer, deeper bag. So that's why I purposely bought this, just give a little bit more casual, off-duty vibe. I've been using this bag quite a lot since summer began, and I've been just really loving it. And this one is on the more expensive side of the Miu Miu Raffia bags, but I have no regrets, and I feel like, because before I went to get another Raffia bag, I do a lot of research, and I ended up with the Miu Miu one, and I just find it quite subtle, and I didn't really get the one with the obvious Miu Miu writing on the front, so it's in the same material, very subtle and not loud, and so it's just something that is quite understated. If I'm dragging this out about in London, no one cares, and it's just a Raffia bag. It's only like when you get a little bit closer look, and you can see the Miu Miu on the keyring and the Miu Miu name on the front of the bag. But sometimes I'll wear it inside without me even knowing. Just a lovely, great quality Raffia bag. I have no immediate complaint to it yet. Apart from the black Italian woven bag, this is the second place that I've been most used the bag, because I just find them a little bit more practical, can put more things to it. If you say this bag can you use in the office? Yes, of course you can, because these few years especially, Raffia bags has been generally accepted to be used in the city. And if you want to look a little bit casual on a more casual day to into the office, of course you can use this. As long as you look smart, it doesn't really matter. Just a bag, and then you want to keep that tone, you want to wear top to toe white linen on a hot day, go to the office and adding Raffia bag, and it just set that tone, feels chilled and relaxed, and is so beautiful. I wouldn't say this is a going out bag in the evening, because I have other two bags that I can use for going out in the evening. But this, you can go on holiday with, you can go to the beach with, you can go to garden party and the pub with, weekend shopping, and during the day go to the museums, whatever. This is a holiday bag and very functional. It's just one of those bags that I've created loads of different outfits with this, and I mainly wear dresses with this bag, and it's just something that is give that summer vibe, chilled vibe, and is just straight away. I put my clothes on, added this bag, just makes me feel like we're in the summer. So it just something gave me some alternatives. And if you want something like this, there are really other alternatives in a similar shape on the high street. H&M, Zara, they all have it. Or look on ASOS, choices are quite unlimited. If I find something very, very similar to this, I'll paste it under the description for your reference. And so that's for today's video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You know, my channel is all about fashion, bags, shoes and jewelry and all fashion related topics. If you have friends who are also into these sort of things, and please share and ask them to subscribe to my channel as well. That would be really lovely to have them here. And leave a comment, let me know which bag is your favorite. And until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye.